And starting on the pole last year, I think he was Rookie of the Year in this class last year. It's a number 17 out of Corona, sponsored by Champion Towing, Swedish Speed, and Osborne. And also, I didn't have him entered, the number 8X out of Garden Grove, sponsored by 4VideoRacing.com. That's David Blair. Here we go. Out of turn 4, green flag. And it's Team Gillam's other half. Jeff Gillam going to lead him into turn number 1. Then it's De Bruin, then it is Vrett. Look at that 8 car on the, that's my favorite car out there. That's an old classic car. He slides into 4th. That is David Blair. 1 down, 5 to go. And problems for the 33 car. And then she stops on the racetrack.
Yellow, Kevin.
We go yellow.
Need a push truck.
He has the option, choosing the inside or the outside. Second place car winds up on the outside if he chooses the inside.
Hold up, 8.
Green flag. It's Gillam out front. De Bruin running second. Vrett running in third. But here comes Blair around the outside. Move Blair to third. Blair trying to use the outside line to go around De Bruin for second. And he does. Yeah, you couldn't do that on the outside in the quarter mile last year. They revamped that thing. It's fast now. 19 heads out toward San Bernardino. Thank you, sir. Three down. There'll be 2 to go this time by. Let's see if Blair can get around Gillam. Gillam's got a ton more laps on this track, but here comes Blair along the inside. And the new leader is Blair. Gillam second, De Bruin running in third, the 19 car running in 4th. That is Nathan Doregan. Oh, 19 smoking a lot. Good looking car, but it's smoking. I think that's the little guy, the young kid in the pits. Look at him. Remember, he bobbled off turn number 4, went out in the half mile, was way behind everybody. Checkered flag going to come down this time by. The wind's going to go to the number 8 car going away. That's Blair. Second spot, Gillam. Third spot, I believe, the 19 car to Reagan, then De Bruin and Vrett.
19.
And no time on that one due to the yellow flag. '19 De Bruin was third, Gillam was second. So make some noise for Blair as he goes back to pit area after that win, please.
Who does that up there?
Yeah. Cotman in the 90 car, Dave Vrett. 20 laps. Guy who won the season opener starting on the outside of row number 1. That's Mike Burks. The 2010 champion, Stephen Bam Bam Fangmeyer, starting outside row number 2. And the 88 cars, that's the Gillam clan. They're the last ever Cruiser champions here at the Pass, and they know Pop is watching from up above tonight. And DeRegan going to lead him off turn number 2. Burks running in second. Fangmeyer and Jeff Gillum battling for third. Fangmeyer beats him back to turn number 3. Oh, look at the 55 car Burks. He turns up front straightaway into a set of S's, and he loses one spot, maybe two. He loses another spot to Gillum. DeRegan, good sized lead early on. 2 laps down, 18 to go. Bam Bam Fangmeyer. He's running second. Still out front, DeRegan. Bam Bam second. Burks running in third. Now, here comes the number 8 car of Blair. It's an old Charger. Now Brett, she's up to 4th. She won the heat race. And Blair into 5th. First 2 have pulled away from the field. And Fangmeyer inching a little bit closer to the leader. I ain't saying anything bad, I'm just saying. Fangmeyer is about 2 times larger than the kid in the first place car. Maybe 3. And he's closing in. Third place car, full straightaway behind the second place car. Now here comes Brett. She's going to take 3rd away from Burks down the back straightaway. Bam Bam closing ever closer to the leader. They'll be halfway the next time by. Blair going to the inside of Burks. A little bit of contact in that maneuver. Leaders are catching up to the back of the pack. Cross flags from the starter. Watch him. He shows the drivers that. That tells them they're halfway through the race. Can the kid hold off Big Sexy? Fangmeyer keeps going to the gym. He'll be Little Sexy. Some people say that now. And the leader's really going to catch some lap traffic.
This is going to be something.
Burks goes way wide off 4. That gives the Bruin the 5th place spot. And they're up to the lap traffic now. Then Fangmeyer right to the back bumper of the leader. Fangmeyer looking at the inside. 13 down, 7 to go. Kid realizing he ain't going to get by on the inside. Goes to the wide line. Trying to get Cotman down the back straightaway. Puts Cotman a lap down. Keeps it wide, way wide. That's dangerous out there. Now Fangmeyer alongside. Kid can set a pick. Now the inside opens up for Fangmeyer. New leader, Bam Bam, in trouble in front of him. They're beating hanging off turn number 2. It's a Hillbilly 100, and Fangmeyer takes the lead. Oh, the kid got stuck together with the lap car and goes around.
Back straight away, you got one line.
Good deal. He just keeps it fired and continues on. A lot of guys would have parked and waited. Yeah, we do go yellow. So yellow flag out. DeRagan, who led most of the way, is running in 6th. Getting ready for the restart. On to turn number 4. 5 laps to go. Green flag. Oh, look at the big sexy. He's got cars on the inside and the outside trying to take the top spot away. He beats him off turn number 2. Bratt in the 9 car asserts herself in 2nd. Blair running in 3rd. Burks in 4th. The Brew in 5th. DeRagan still 6th. Then it's Brett, Gillum, Cotman, and Gillum. Now about a 5-car link lead with 3 laps to go, this time by for Bam Bam. DeRagan bobbles in turn 4. It costs him. There'll be 2 to go this time by. Fangmeyer looking for his first win of the year. Spent the day bowling in a tournament up in Victorville. Last lap flag. 1 to go for Fangmeyer.
White flag left. White flag left.
Down the back straightaway. Into turn number 3. The 2010 champion going to bag his first win of the year. The win's going to go to Stephen Bam Bam Fangmeyer. Brett's going to finish 2nd. 3rd spot is Blair. 4th is Burks. 5th spot is DeBruin. 6th is Brett. 7th spot will be Jeff Gillum. 8th spot will be Cotman. 9th spot will be
9, 8, and 52.
DeRagan.
Go right to tech.
And 10th spot will be Tom Gillum.
Good job, guys. You guys did a good job.
And no time on that one due to the yellow flags.